What is a randomizer and how can I use it to make my ESL classes great fun? Well, a randomizer is just a wheel that you can spin in order to choose something at random. And there are so many ways in which you can use it in your ESL classes. I'm going to show you how to get your hands on this free, customizable, downloadable resource from Twinkle and some of the ways in which you could use it to make your classes fun. Are you ready? Let's go! When you're looking for feedback from your class, for example, you can put their names into the randomizer and let it choose a student for you at random. For example, who is going to tell us the answer to question 4? It's... and then you let the randomizer choose for you. You could put a new piece of vocabulary in each one of the segments, and when the randomizer selects a word, you could challenge your students to use that word in context. A great revision activity. You could also put a question word, and this is maybe my favorite. Put a question word in each one of the segments, and whatever you're talking about, maybe the weekend, for example, you can challenge your students to make a question starting with that question word. So if the topic is the weekend, the question could be with how many, for example. How many bars of chocolate did you eat? I ate a lot. Yes. So those are just a few of the uses. Now, the next thing that you need to know is how to change the data on the wheel so that you can put your students' names in or the words that you've been studying with your class recently. And this is very, very simple. All you have to do is right-click on the wheel, select Change Data. It will take you to a spreadsheet. You just change the words on the spreadsheet like this, and you can see that it automatically changes the information on the wheel and you are ready to go. All right, so this resource is free to download from Twinkle, and we've included some different stylings so that it's appropriate for the age group that you are teaching, online or offline, and you can get it for free. Did I say free? I think I did. Okay, any questions about this or any of the resources on Twinkle, do let me know. I am here to help you out. And apart from that, I will see you at Twinkle, the global home of ESL. See you soon. Bye-bye.